Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about yogic lifestyle. Yes, if you're practicing yoga and if you are in yogic lifestyle, you enjoy getting the benefits of yogic lifestyle. I will tell more how you can schedule your day, especially if you are working, if you are busy these days with a job or business or with family, then this schedule will be very useful for you, how to arrange your day so that you can do more and also to do practices, because when days are busy, it's not that easy to schedule everything so that everything will happen smoothly, so that work will be done, so that practices would be done, food arranged and everything. So I will try to explain a little bit, and then you can choose how much you can do of these practices, of this schedule, according to your situation. You can also leave a comment below if you will have some questions regarding specific to your own situation. But I will speak more in general. What is the general tips? So it will be from the morning till we go to sleep, and everything will be related with when we are a little bit busy. Later I will make separate videos with full schedule of practices. Now it will be more focused on when we are busy. So first thing in the morning, if we are busy, and even if we are not busy, it's very important to wake up early in the morning. And you know, yogic lifestyle is more early morning, and if we are busy, it's also very beneficial to wake up early so that we can do more. And the main thing and the main time for our meditation is Brahmamurtam time. It is at 3:30, approximately 3:30, 3:20 or 3:45. It depends maybe on the area you stay. But Sadhguru gave us guidelines like to do Brahmamurtam time meditations at 3:45 till 4:30. So you can wake up early. Usually I'm trying to wake up at 3:20, and without alarm I'm trying to wake up. I'm not using any alarm. I'm giving full rest to my body so that in the morning I know is my body rested or no, because if with alarm every morning we're waking up, then our body will not be maybe rested. So it's very important to give rest, a proper rest. If during the day we're still stressed and have some anxieties and tired, then we need a little bit more sleep. But all this yogic lifestyle will help you to wake up more early without alarm. So best it is to wake up at 3:20, so that to go to have some time to drink some warm water, to do bowel cleaning. Very important before yoga practices and meditations, to do all the cleaning of our intestines, large intestines. It's very, very important, so that it's no much extra pressure on our organs when we're doing certain asanas, bending and doing all these things. So, and then take a shower, and then Brahmamurtam time sit for some meditation. Sadhguru gave to us to do one of aspect of samyama. If you've not went through samyama, then you can do some other practices, Isha Kriya, if situation at home allows you to make a little bit sound. If no, then any other practice that you like to do. If you don't know any of these practices, there is a link below. You can search on YouTube, Upa Yoga. There are practices you can learn at home. Isha Kriya, also you can learn. Sima Kriya. All these are freely available on YouTube from Sadhguru channel. Or you can do your own some practices that you learn from proper source, but make sure that yoga practices you're doing, it's good practices from classical classical source, so that it's safe and very well designed safely. So then we are doing practices. Then after that I will tell how I'm doing, how my day of work, fully work day. So that's why when I'm waking up early in the morning, I'm managing to do lots of practices, because it's also very important so that to have more energy, so that to take care of the body, of the mind, it's important to do all these practices. After that I'm doing Upa Yoga and Angamardana. And then a few minutes break, and then I'm doing Guru Puja at 5:30. After that Bhuta Shuti, then Surya Kriya, Yogasanas, and then Shakti Chalana Kriya, Shambhavi, then Bhakti Sadhana, or yoga for devotion, yoga for love. This will be part of Upa Yoga online, you will find. Then after that you can do chanting, you can do Brahmananda Swarupa chanting, or if you know how properly to chant, you can chant Nirvana Shatakam or some other chanting, or Aum chanting at the very end of your practices. So basically I'm doing practices till 8 or 8:30. I'm trying to, when very busy schedule, so at 8 I'm trying to finish, so that as normal day from 8 to start work. After that I'm going to eat some fruits, not food but fruits, because I have time now. I'm doing business, so I can arrange my schedule the way I want. So I'm trying to schedule my time so that it's also support for my health. It's also very important, and for mind, because the better schedule for our food, it's also beneficial. So, and it's good to eat fruits sometime before main food, if a job allows you. If it doesn't allow, then it's fine to eat fruits, and then immediately after fruits to eat something cooked. In the morning I'm eating big quantity of food, so I'm eating fruits. Then 1 hour I have a break. During that hour I'm making video, like right now. After fruits I came and I'm making this video, and then later I will go for breakfast or brunch. So after food, then I'm working. After food it's also very important to walk. So I'm doing walking, this infinite walking. Sorry, I've not posted yet the small infinite symbol size. I will try to get the size as soon as possible. So I'm walking like this, and during the walk I'm also editing video. We are doing with the Srinagi Ayurveda Health channel, Ayurveda Dr. Srinagi, so I'm editing her videos. So during the walking I'm also editing video. So 1.5 hours I'm walking, so you also at least 10 minutes walk after food. It's also part of Yogic Lifestyle. If atmosphere allows, if it's not very cold grass, you can walk barefoot. It's also very beneficial for your health and other aspects there are. Then after that I'm working, I'm doing my videos, and as now I'm sitting in specific asana, which also helps. It's also part of yogic lifestyle. If you are doing some sitting job or you're watching TV, but when you're busy, definitely no time to watch TV. So you sit in asana. If you learn somewhere sitting asana, sit in that asana. It helps to relax your body, relax your mind. It doesn't need so much water to drink, less food to eat, less going to the toilet, bathroom, and also less sleep. So it's very beneficial just to have less sleep and body anyway rest, because in asana body rests, it's on some level, so it's very good. So I'm sitting then midday when sun gets the highest point. This is called Sandhya Kala. That time I'm doing shunya, because few hours went, so digestion happens, so I'm doing shunya. You can do some meditation, you can do some pranayama, nadishuti you can learn online. There is a practice you can learn freely online at your home. You can do 20 minutes, 40 minutes this practice pranayama, or some other practice you want, because during your work it's also important to get rest a little bit and to enhance yourself. So spend a little bit time, because anyway, if you have 1 hour for your lunch, better skip lunch, don't eat, because anyway you can't cook a job. So better take some fruit. So usually what I'm doing shunya, then I'm doing pranayama 20 minutes, and then after that I'm eating fruits, and then it's just like 1 hour break for lunch people have. So you can do these things. It will be much more beneficial if you skip your lunch, because there will be a bigger gap between breakfast and dinner, which is beneficial for your health and also your spiritual growth. And then after food, I'm working again, and because for me time allows, I'm eating dinner very early, and before dinner I'm doing also a little bit practices, because whole day I'm sitting, I'm working, editing videos, shooting videos. So I'm doing Shakti, Surya Shakti cycles. There is a specific practice like sun salutation, but it's a little bit more different. So if you know how to do it, you can do, or some other practice or meditation you can do before your dinner. So usually I finish my work at 3:30, then I do some yoga practices before food. At 4 I'm going to cook my food, and simple food, not very heavy, because it's important so that it will be digested and that you will have a good sleep. So I'm trying always to eat food at 5, so I'm cooking at 4 till everything preparation, everything. Sometimes there is a time when food is cooking and you need to wait, let's say 15 minutes till some cooker will get full cooked, and then in between you can do some practices. But many people have job till 5, so you can immediately, as soon as possible, try to have dinner, because it will help you to wake up more early. Because to wake up early we need to go to sleep early and to sleep early we need to eat dinner early. And it's important that 4 hours goes after our dinner. So if at 5 we're eating, we finish at 5:30, then at 9:30 we can go to sleep and food will be fully digested. You will get all the benefits of the food that you ate, and it will be very good, and you will have very good relaxed sleep. Because anyway, if you wake up early, you will be really tired actually. And that's why important to eat dinner early, because you will be tired in the evening. And you can go to sleep early. Otherwise, if you eat late, then you will be tired after working day, and food will not be digested, and sleep will be bad. Food will not digest and create toxins and many other problems in your body, and you can't wake up, and difficult to do to go to bathroom in the morning. So it's very important to eat dinner as early as possible. I'm now cooking very simple grains, split wheat. It's kind of kanji, so with salt and vegetables, some spices. Later I will make a video how to prepare this very simple recipe, and it's very tasty and very simple, and you have some time in between to do some practices, and very beneficial. And now I'm eating like this maybe 2 months, maybe almost 3 months like this, and still I'm alive, and very good. I will see how to find some other more simple recipes, so that if you are busy, so that you can have simple recipes, but not to make your health bad. After dinner, again, it's very important to walk a little bit. So again, I'm walking in the garden barefoot, and I'm editing videos, because many YouTube channels I have for me and for Shunagi, we're posting many videos, so I'm editing, you can do something else, or just simple walk, or you can play table tennis, dance with family, or just do something with family, go shop. Just do some physical activity, clean your room or whatever. Do some physical activity after eating food. And after that I spend some time with family, and again I'm going to work because it's busy days, so again I'm working. And then in the evening at 9:30 I'm going to sleep. And it's good to take shower also before evening practices. It's also important to take shower before any practice you do, before any yoga you do. Take shower. No need soap always, just to pour water. It's important. If time is lacking, unless you smell a little bit not nice, then put some soap, and otherwise if everything fine, you can just put water on yourself and go do practices, so that to save some time. So schedule is like this. In other videos I will post full schedule when you are not busy and you want to do full yoga. This schedule is when you are very busy, but still we need to do some practices. So anytime during the day, if you have 3 minutes, you do Nadashuti pranayama, because it doesn't require a very empty stomach condition. Even sometime after food you can do that pranayama. And immediately after food it's not very good, wait a little bit, but anyway, if you are going with this schedule, that eating in the morning and in the evening, then it's fine, because you are eating fruits, and then 2.5 hours goes after food. If you will go along with my schedule, like at 1 o'clock I'm eating fruits, or before 1 or 12:30, then 2.5 hours till 3:15, I'm taking shower, and then yoga practices, and everything and the stomach conditions are maintained. So just see, if you have some questions, leave questions below. I will try to answer. If you have some doubts how you should arrange your day, I will try to help. Maybe I will make separate video, or I will just answer with a comment. And leave a comment how much you are doing this schedule, are you doing, or will you do, what you will try to do, and what already you are doing. I would like to hear, and we can talk and connect like this. It would be really nice. If you like this video, click like, share with people, it will be very useful. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe and click bell icon so that not to miss any upcoming video. Okay, see you, bye.